This is diesel ultrasonic. I introduced this 28 kHz ultrasonic welder to you. This is a digital generator box. This is a transducer with horn, and it is already with power supply. I'll start the generator. This is the on-off button. It will start self-check function. It shows normal now. The generator has Chinese interface and English interface, so we can switch the language. Now I will set it at English. Here is its frequency, here is its power, and here is the counter. And this one shows after self-checking, it is a normal ultrasonic welding system, and with no problem. And this one, alarm view, is to show the record of the alarm history, and this one is the parameter setting, and this one, sonic testing, is to test if there is ultrasonic output, and the last one is automatic operation, or we can change it at manual operation. Let's see it. This is manual. This is automatic. I will introduce the parameter setting interface to you. There are 3 modes. By now, the time mode and the energy mode is available for you. The time mode, when the machine set at the time mode, the welding time is fixed, but the energy output has small differences each time. This is time mode. This parameter delay time is to set the delay time, and this is the welding time. It is now set at 2 seconds, and the bottom one is cooling time. We also call it pressure holding time, and the last parameter is amplitude. It's now set at 55. And here is to record each time welding. Now it's nothing because we didn't start weld work. And this one is return to master page.